Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 oil. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter removal tool, a new oil filter, and the correct type and amount of new engine oil. Also, have a suitable drain pan ready. Familiarize yourself with the locations of the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing before you begin. To begin, run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil slightly. This helps it drain more thoroughly. Next, place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old oil to drain completely from the engine. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring the new O-ring is properly seated. Then, reinstall the drain plug, always using a new crush washer to prevent leaks. Now, you can begin adding the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the precise type and quantity of oil required for your specific BMW X3 model. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. While it's running, carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using your vehicle's electronic sensor or dipstick. Finally, remember to reset the oil service indicator in your BMW X3's onboard system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.